Hi children, I hope you all are doing great. Today's session is about figures of speech. Have you ever heard of figures of speech? Whether we are conscious of it or not, we use figures of speech every day in our conversations. Then what is it? It is a technique used by the writers in order to give a special effect to the language or to make the language attractive and beautiful. They can help our listeners or readers understand and stay interested in what we say. That is, it is a way to convey meanings in fresh, unexpected ways. Really, understanding figures of speech is very important for any English learner, as these figures of speech are the very basics of good writing and conversation skill. There are many types of figures of speech, and today we study 3 of them in detail. First one is personification. Take a look at this tree. When the tree branches hit the window, we can describe this scene like this. The tree branches knocked on the window. When a kite stuck at the tree, we can say that the tree caught the kite. When the wind blows its branches, we can say that the tree waved to us. In each of these examples, the tree acts like a person. This is personification. Personification is giving human qualities to non-human things. Here are some more examples. Next, we are going to study about simile and metaphor. Imagine a man who is noble and brave. What might you compare him with? A lion? There are 2 ways to express this comparison. How are these 2 sentences different? The first sentence compares the man to a lion by using the word like or as. In contrast, when we say the man is a lion, we actually are turning the man into a lion. The first sentence is a simile. The comparison is made using the word like or as. The second sentence is a metaphor. In this comparison, the reader feels one thing as the other itself. Here are some more examples.